Introducing the Woodsum Pinhole Camera. It's a wooden 3D puzzle you assemble to create a real working camera that uses 35mm film. The Woodsum Pinhole Camera comes with easy-to-read and detailed instructions. Each puzzle piece is pre-cut and pops out effortlessly. And no tools or glue are needed to put the camera together. Choose from 5 different luxurious wood finishes for an authentic film camera look. The Woodsum Pinhole Camera can also be mounted on a tripod. The Woodsum Pinhole Camera works like other 35mm film cameras. Start by loading 35mm film into the back of the camera. Then wind the film roll by turning the knob located on top. Finally, press and hold the shutter button for several seconds to take a picture. The Woodsum Pinhole Camera is a fun activity and a unique way to enjoy photography. Useful creative action. Woodsum.